Hello students, welcome to new video lecture. Today we are going to discuss about this numerical. Which the next series of your exercise. To study this further, we have to know numericals. Whenever the numericals are given, at that time first of all we have to write down the given data. To write down the given data, what we are going to do this first of all you have to read the numerical carefully. Whenever you read the numerical, your half of numerical is solved. Whenever you read the numerical and write down the given data, your 50% numerical is solved. When you write down the formula, your 70% numerical is solved, and remaining 30% is nothing but the calculation. Whatever the calculation you are doing, that is only the remaining 30%. To solve this, what we are going to do this, first of all, Ravi applied a force of 10 Newton. Here force and 10 Newton. Newton is nothing but the SI unit of force. For that, when we are going to write down given, F is taken as 10 Newton. F we have to take over here as a 10 Newton. Move a book 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. Here centimeter is nothing but the displacement, and displacement is taken by S, that is 30 centimeter. Next, in the direction of the force, how much was the work done by the Ravi? Means W is equal to question mark. Now in that case, numerical is, we have written numerical properly, we have write down given data properly. Now what we are going to do this, we have to write down formula, and we have a simple formula for this, that is work done. Work done is equal to force into displacement. Now what you are going to do this, 10 into 100. Is that correct? 300. Is that your answer is correct? No, your answer is totally wrong. I am saying your answer is totally wrong. Why so? Because see, Newton, centimeter, one in MK system, another in CGS system. So we have to convert this centimeter into meter. For that, what we are going to do this, S is equal to 30. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. For that, we have to divide it by 100. 100, 0 get cancel. Your answer is 0.3. Now, to calculate work done is equal to force into displacement. Force of 10 Newton, displacement of 0.3. So here comes your answer, that is 3. Work done is equal to 3 joule. Means exactly work done completed by Ravi is 3 joule. So that's what your answer is, 3 joule. Now afterwards, whenever the numerical is completed, to make your impression more on the invigilator, what you have to do, you have to write down the result. It is not compulsory, but it makes your impression on your invigilator. So what you are going to write down, Ravi has done 3 joule work, or Ravi has done a work of 3 joule. That's it. Simple. One line you have to write down. It makes an impression, which is better for you only. If marks were deducted, so this statement helps you to don't deduct your marks, to make your marks properly, fully. Next, find the mass of water. Here simple. Find, suddenly mass is given, M is equal to question mark. Next, lift by a pump of power. Power is given. Power is equal to 0.5 horsepower. Power is equal to 0.5 horsepower. Next, what you are going to do this, horsepower to a height. Height means what? H. H is given. H is equal to 5 meter. Next, after that, what you are going to do this in 98 seconds, means time also given, that is 98 seconds. Next, again they have gave G is equal to 9.8. Here they have mentioned, take G as 9.8. If they don't mention, at that time what will take? G is equal to 10. But they have mentioned, take G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. That's what we have to take over here. G is equal to 9.8. So here G is equal to 9.8. Simple numerical is there. Totally simple numerical is there, but in this numerical G is taken as 9.8, which you have considered that is means this is hectic or what? No, it's not hectic, but it might be means it might be look like a hectic one, but it is not hectic numerical. Next, so here you have to read this numerical carefully and just find it out whether your given data is fulfilled or not, or whether your given data is completed or not. Now what we are going to do this, power is given in horsepower, so which means we have to convert this horsepower into horsepower into watt. For that we know very well 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. For that what we are going to do this, we have to just multiply this 0.5 into 746. Next, when you multiply this dot shifted puts over 0 over here, and when you take the multiplication your answer is 373 watt. You get the answer, that is power is equal to 373. Now formula we know very well, power is equal to work upon time. Now what you have to calculate over here, you have to calculate mass. To calculate mass, here W is nothing but the energy. Energy is taken as mgh divided by T as it is. mgh, W replaced by mgh and T as it is. So put this T toward this side and gh toward this side. So m is equal to what you get, P into T divided by G into H. Now put the values. M is equal to P, power is equal to 373 into T is equal to 98 divided by G is equal to 9.8 into H is equal to 10. H means what? Height is equal to 5 meter. So here take 5. Now what you are going to do this, calculate this. To calculate this I am going to erase this upside portion. You must have to write down this numerical. If you don't write down, pause the video, write it down, or take the video back and just write it down. Now what you are going to do this, I am just going to write down this once again. M is equal to 373 into 98 divided by 9.8 into 5. Now put this, shift this towards upside, so make 0 over here, that is the dot reduces 90 1 za 10 za. Okay, next, अगर आपको means if you are able to calculate directly, so 98 divided by 9.8 is equal to again 10. If you are not able to calculate by point means put this dot upside, make 10 upside. 5 1 za 5 2 za means 373 into 2, which is nothing but the 9,49110. So here mass of water is kg. Put the unit also, 149 kg. So the mass which is left by the water is nothing but the 1049 kilogram. Means in that entire time period 1049 kilogram of water will be lifted upside in the tank. I hope you understand this video. If you understand this video, so do like my channel, subscribe my channel too, and please after subscription the bell icon you have to turn on, because of that only you will get the notification. Whenever I'll upload the video you will get the notification. I hope you understand this phenomenon. If you have a doubt, so ask me in the comment box which is given below, and like, share and subscribe. Thank you.